guys, welcome to my channel. Let's make slime with baking soda and some glue. Now let's mix. Pour a lot. If you want to put all of this, put all.
Okay lang dahil.
Now, let's add the baking soda. Ma, thank you, gid ma. Sa pagmalyag mo kinakan. May advice, kid. Something spill, guys. Just put here.
Wala man ito sa lupon. Sakyan mo ang butang. Indara ko ba pa rin? Paborit isa.
Now, let's mix. I'm kind of skeptical that this is gonna make me slime.
Ito ang cellphone ko daw.
Ito ba sa may sarakyan? Sa ginbutangan mo kayo na?
Dito ako na.
That's mine.
Kaya sudah sarana.
That's mine.
So guys, enjoy your slime. Bye.